It's time to experience something glorious. Unacademy Combat. Compete, crack, conquer.
A challenging GATE contest engineered to give you an experience like none other.
Where you put your knowledge to test
and battle it out with a test.
To bring out the best in you, Unacademy Combat is the most competitive, gamified contest for GATE till date, with the best of the questions by best educators.
with detailed video solutions from top educators right after each contest.
Combat live with peers to get real-time rankings and win big.
Participate in every contest to improve your ratings.
Challenging contests every fortnight or alternate Sunday. Live ranking after every question. Big rewards for top rankers. Your passion to crack GATE deserves this. Your hard work towards your dream deserves this. Fuel your inner fire for the ultimate GATE challenge. Unacademy Combat. Register now.
Hi, good evening, one and all. Welcome to Unacademy. Yes, as I said, in the part of Naukri series, I will be focusing on 5 topics. I already completed averages, mixtures, allocations, and I have dealt basics of permutations and combinations. Now I will be continuing with the topic of permutations and combinations in detail. Let's see some very good question series right today. Now, before start of the class, let me introduce myself. This is NLN Sharma, and these are my scores in different examinations, and these are my credentials. Now, when you use my code NLN10, yes, you will get 10% discount, and you will get guidance of all these subjects from me. Now, why me? I am ranked 33 in overall category of GATE and ECE, and rank 1 in math and chemistry category. I have dealt more than 50,000 plus students till date for GATE, CAT and UPSC. Now, many students were asking me what is the difference between plus and iconic and what are the advantages when we choose iconic or plus. In iconic, yes, you will be assigned with a personal coach exclusively. How this coach will be helpful? This coach will be giving you the best study plan. For each and every topic, you will be getting specialized notes and practice sets. Of course, fine. The most important thing where this coach will be helpful is personalized test analysis. 90% of the students complain this, right? Even though after completing the entire syllabus, they say that we are not able to solve the questions. We are not able to applying the things there. This is where your coach will be helpful. Each and every test will be analyzed. Your mistakes are identified and they are rectified so that your score will be boosted. One more advantage when you choose iconic, you will be getting one-to-one live mentorship with your mentor and educator so that you can speak personally with them about all your difficulties facing. You'll get the best solutions for that. One more advantage when we choose Iconic, right? You will be getting access to complete Raudra coding classes, right? Where you can complete all your software courses perfectly. Of course, whatever you get in Plus, you will get in Iconic also. In Plus, the classes will be on live pattern, which will be in English and Hindi and completely structured. You can choose your own courses and batches according to your need. Comprehensive course, crash course, rank improvement batch, quizzes are available, weekly tests are available, and you can access them unlimitedly. How much you have to invest? If you are choosing Plus and if you are opting for 24-month subscription, it will be costing you on an average of 58 rupees per day, the lowest, where you will get India's the best educators to teach for you. Now, when you use my code NLN10, yes, you will get 10% discount, my guidance and my entire group guidance, right? So after 10% discount, the price will be 42,480 for 24 months. For 12 months, it will be 29,205 after discount. This is for 18 months. Coming to Iconic, it will be 5805 after discount when you use my code NLN10 for 12 months. And this is for 18 and 24 months. But the prices has slashed down and the offer is available only up to today, and that too 7 hours left, right? So you will be getting on an average of 26% discount today. So do try to subscribe those who are serious to join on Unacademy platform using with my code NLN10. The offer ends today sharp 11:59 p.m. a.m. right? Do try to subscribe this. Okay, chalo, let's continue our discussion here. And again, one more extraordinary feature that you will get for GATE is you will be provided with notes. You can see the demo notes available right now. What is the quality there, so that you can check there and you can decide about the things. Okay, we'll start our discussion here. We have done some questions and basics. Let's focus more on solving the questions. Okay, chalo. We have done. So I will be doing this question. The next same type of question you have to solve for me, right? So I will follow the same pattern for this permutations and combinations topic there. Observe the question there. How many arrangements start and end with consonant of the word together? So most of the students, what they do mistake is they try to do the questions with tricks. Tricks will only helpful in some cases, it will not be helpful in all the cases. And regarding permutations and combinations, if you miss one case, your entire answer will go wrong. Even though upon doing 99.9% correct, you will be made to choose to do wrong at that 0.1%. So writing down all the cases is a perfect way to solve permutations and combinations, even though if you take extra 30 seconds there. Observe the question there. How many arrangements start and end? Start and so I'll take down blue ink. Start and end with consonant of the word together, it seems. Okay, so how many vowels are there? How many consonants are there? Let us suppose take, right, consonants. There are 2 T's. T is a consonant. Okay, fine, I'll write down here. Vo is a vowel, I'll write down here. G, it is a consonant, I'll write down here. E is a vowel, I'll write down here. E. A-E-I-O-U na. A T is over H, 1 H. This is a consonant. 2 E's are there. It is not 1 E. I'll write down this. 2 E's are there. I'll write down here. So 2 E's and 1 R. Totally, these are the alphabets available in the word together. 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8. 6, 3, 6, 8. Yes, 8. Perfectly done. So it has to start with consonant and end with consonant, it seems. Start with consonant and end with consonant. So totally how many alphabets are there? 2, 3, 4, 5, 8 are there. So remain here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 are there. So how to, these are the consonants available. So how to start with this? And again there are 2 T's. So I'll write down like this. Let me know whether I'm right or wrong. So this word will start with T and end with T. This is one arrangement. Am I right or wrong? Because you are asked to find out arrangements only. So in between, I'll write down like this. In between, these are 6 alphabets. Now this T and T are fixed one way. one way. Now, how many alphabets are left over? 6 alphabets are left over. Yes, in this six alphabets can be arranged in 6 factorial ways. But up dekho, in those 6 alphabets, there is duplicities. 2 E's are there. So can I write down like this? 2 factorial, and this is first case. Very good. Now coming to the second case. The word starts with T and ends with other alphabets G, H, R. Am I right or wrong? G, R, H, R. Are these vowels? Are these consonants? Yes. Starting with consonant and end with consonant. Now see, this is fixed one. How many chances are there? 3 chances are there. In between, there will be 6 alphabets. Am I right or wrong? Yes. The 6 alphabets can be arranged in 6 factorial ways, divided by, there are duplicities, 2 E's. Automatically, this is your answer there. Coming to next one, right? So it start with G, GR, HRR and end with T. Is it one arrangement? Yes, perfectly. This is one arrangement. T fixed in one way, GR, HRR 3 ways. So in between there will be 6 alphabets, and the 6 alphabets can be arranged in 6 factorial by 2 factorial ways because there are duplicities of E. Perfectly done. Let's come to the last one. Is there any one more arrangement? Yes, there is one more arrangement, right? I'll write down this. This is what most of the students will miss this. Starting with G, H, R and ending with G, H, R. Ending with G, H, R. Yes, of course. There are 3 chances here. Out of G, H, R, one alphabet will be missed out in the last one. So automatically 2 chances here. Am I right or wrong? So in case of understanding, I am writing down this. Only 2 alphabets will be there because you have used one alphabet here. So in between there are 6 alphabets. And they go by in between there are 6 alphabets. 6. These are arranged in the format of 6 factorial by how many duplicities are there? 2 T's are there here and 2 E's are there here. Now totally how many cases did you got there? First, second, third. I hope so you got my point there. So how many cases? Add all those cases. Now you will get the answer there. Calculations, you please do it later, right? Because we have to solve more number of questions. I hope so I'm clear. I wrote the cases perfectly. Done. I want you guys to solve same type of question together, but starting and ending with a vowel, it seems. In the previous case, we took consonant. Now you are asked to find out with vowel. I'll be giving you 2 minutes for this. Try this. Let's see how many can solve this. Any answer for this? If 5 seconds more. Any answers for this? Easy case, na? Vowels, I have done tough question. I am asking you the easiest question now. Right? Consider the letters of the word together. How many arrangements will start and end with a vowel? Already in the previous case, you wrote all those things, consonants and vowels. 2T, 1G, 1H, 1R. 2T, 1G, 1H, 1R. Okay, now these are consonants. Let me know the vowels there. 2E, 1O. Is there any other word? 1O. That's it. Now it has to start with vowel and end with vowel, it seems. Means it has to start with one case, it has to start with E and it has to end with E. E and E are fixed, so one and one way. In between there are 6 alphabets. Am I right or wrong? 1, 2, 3, because together is an 8 alphabet word. Now this 6 alphabets can be arranged in 6 factorial ways, and there are duplicities. 2 T's are there in between. So this is one case. Come to the next case. Now see here, starting with E and ending with O. Right, in between again E and O are fixed now, 1 and 1. Automatically in between there will be 6 alphabets, and the 6 alphabets can be arranged in 6 factorial ways divided by 2 factorial. How many of you got this? And the next one, starting with O, fixed one, ending with E, and I can write down both clubbed together in the previous case only. To have an easy understanding, I am doing this one. And in between there are 6 alphabets, and 6 alphabets can be arranged in 6 factorial ways, and there are duplicity is 2 factorial. That's the answer there. Add all those things, you'll get the answer. Perfectly done. Yes, let's come to the next one. Now this is one such beautiful case where I have added all the properties of the permutations and combinations. I want you guys to solve this question. So I'll do it, right? So you can do it in different ways also, right? Not only you have to, I mean, you can use permutations and combination approaches. You can use different approaches for this. $50 seconds more. So I gave a hint also, right? You need not use pure permutations and combinations approach. You can use different approaches also to solve the question there. So as there are many layers in this question, right? You have to open the layers very clearly. Unless until you cannot solve the question easily. So let's see, right? In how many ways can the letters of the word arrange be arranged so that, what are the questions asked? The two R's are never together, it seems. The two R's are never together means, one second, ma. The two R's are, yes, yes. The two R's are never together, it seems. The two A's are together but not two R's, it seems. Neither two A's nor two R's, it seems. One second, B1. 1 second, ma. There is an issue here. One second, B. 1 second. 1 second. The two R's are never together. The two A's are together but not two R's. Neither two A's nor two R's together is the question asked. So there are many layers in this question here. So how shall we solve this? First of all, I'll write down the things there, then we will decide it later. Okay. So in this arrange word, there are two A's. There are two R's. There are one N, one G, one E. So first let us find out some basic things, then we will go for the questions there, then you can get more clarity. 1E. Now can anybody say in how many ways can you arrange this arrange word? Total ways. So totally this arrange is how many letter word? 1, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, right? 4, 5, 6, 7. So total ways matlab the 7 alphabets can be arranged in 7 factorial ways divided by 2 factorial. Duplicities are there, 2 factorial into 2 factorial. Now what will be the value there here? Now see here, I'll write down here 7 into 6 into 5 factorial is 120. This is 4. 120 by 4 is 30. So 7 into 6 into 30 will be how much, ma? 6 3s are 18. 18 7s are how much? Is it 1260? Yes, total base is 1260. Coming to next one, I want answer for this. Two A's are together. And everybody know we have done this questions so many previously, right? Two A's are together. Matlab I have to take down two A's as one single block. If I take 2A as one single block, now 2A's 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 3, 4, 5, 6 alphabets will be there. Am I right or wrong? Totally 6 alphabets can be arranged in 6 factorial ways divided by in this 6 blocks. How many duplicities are there? 2 R's are there, 2 factorial, and there is no need to arrange A because A or AA both are same, one single arrangement only. Am I right or wrong? Yes. 6 factorial by 2 factorial. Now what will be this answer there? 120 by 2 will be 60. 6 6 are 360. And similarly for this also will be the same answer. 2 A's or 2 R's together. 2 R's also you will get the same answer there. Am I right or wrong? Yes. And next one, next point, 2 A's and 2 R's are together. And both are separate, ma. 2 R's are together. Means you have to consider A's as one block, R's as one block. Now see here totally how many blocks are available? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 blocks are available. This 5 blocks can be arranged in 5 factorial ways. So already you have arranged it. There is no need to arrange the individual blocks because RR, AA both will be same even though if you reverse it. So 5 factorial is nothing but equal to 120. So see here at last finally what we can understand is we are running around only 2 variables, 2 A's and 2 R's. So I can draw a Venn diagram very easily. Now see how I will draw the Venn diagram there. Then we can solve this question. Now see when there are more than 2 to 3 things to solve in a permutations and combinations question, you can go with Venn diagram approach which will be damn helpful to solve the question there. Now see here how I will solve it. One such unique way. Now we know the total value. Total value is 1260. I'll write down here. Total can be written as mu. In Venn diagrams approach, it is 1260. Finally done. So this is A's together, two A's together, and this is two R's together. Everybody know two A's together value will be is 360, and two A's value will be equal to 360. That is given there. Now this is two A's and two R's are together, means intersecting point of two A's and two R's. How much is this value? 120. If this value is 120, how much will be this value? Total circle value is 360. In this is 120. This will be 240, and this will be 240. Yes. Now this will be your non value. Non value means two A's nor two R's together. So non value is nothing but equal to how much? Calculate this. 360, 460, 560, 600. Now 1260. If I remove 600, it will be 660. Now let's go for the questions there. What is the first question asked? Two R's are never together, it seems. Never together means we know in permutations and combinations I can use backward flip easily to solve the question. From total, if I subtract R's together combination, two R's together combination, then automatically the answer is two R's never together. So what is my answer there? 1260 minus two R's together. Is it 360? Yes, it is 360. So your answer will be how much? 900. Am I right or wrong? Perfectly right. What is the B1? Two A's are together but not two R's. Means exclusively A's are together. Now is this value represent only A's together? Yes, whatever I have underlined, this will represent only two A's together, but not two R's, because I have removed this case, right? Only two A's together, and my answer is 240. Coming to next one, neither two A's nor two R's together means, is this non-value representing neither two A's nor two R's together? Now see here how I easily solve this question with using Venn diagrams. So in permutations and combinations and probability, Venn diagrams approach will help you a lot to solve the questions easily when you have multi-layers in the question. So if you don't use Venn diagrams, it will create more confusion. Those who are so serious and concentrated only can solve the question there. Is it 660? Yes, it is 660. Which is your answer there? I hope so. It is clear. Done. Let's come to the next one. Yes, I am expecting you guys, right? So I have solved n number of alphabetical questions in the previous class. So I'm expecting you guys to try and see my solution and then check where you're going wrong. If you're correct, okay, fine. Any answer? Please active in the comment section box here. 10 seconds more. No answer. Easy one. How many words can be formed? Means you have to select and arrange, right, with the letters of the word Pataliputra without changing the relative order of the vowels and consonants, it seems. First of all, how many vowels are there? How many consonants are there? We'll write down the things there. 2P, I'll write down consonants on the left hand side. 2P. There are how many A's are there? 1, 2, 3. 3 A's are there. I'll write down vowels on the right hand side. T. 2 T's are there. So 1 L is there. 1 I. E is already done. 1 U. A-I-O-U. Right. So T is done. R, I have written R. Is done. These are the vowels and consonants. So you must not change the relative order of vowels and consonants, it seems. Okay. Yes, Rahul. So I'll write down. So first of all, how many letters are there? 3, 6, 9, 10, 11 are there. Am I right around? 4, 5, 6, 9, 10, 11 are there. So 11 words are there. I will in alphabets 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Ab dekho, now this P is consonant, A is vowel, T is consonant, A is vowel, L is consonant, I is vowel, T is consonant, B is U is vowel, T is consonant, R is consonant, and A is how much? Vowel. Now, how many words can be formed with the letters of the word Pataliputra without changing the relative order of the vowels and consonants is the question asked, it seems. So this must be the order there. This must be the order there. So how shall we write down? Now see how many vowels are there? 4, 5, 6. Now see here 6 words are chance here. Now here 5 words are chance here. Now here 4 words. Now here 3. Now here 2. Here 1. Am I right or wrong? The reverse order, right? 6 factorial. Now vowels. How many are there? 4, 5. 3, 4, 5. So this must be 5 or 6 factorial. This one here. Now this is 5. This is 4. This is 3. This is 2. This is 1. So automatically 5 factorial. Now what will be the answer there? So 120 into 6 will be 720. 720 into 120 is your answer there. So how many of you got this answer there? 720 into 120. Oh, there is no such answer now. There is no such answer, right? What are we missing down anything there? Are we missing down anything there? How many words can be formed with the letters of the word Pataliputra without changing the relative order of vowels and consonants, it seems? Are we missing down any point there? Anybody? Relative order of vowels and consonants, it seems. So is this first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth position? We are right now. What point are we missing down there? Here P. Okay, fine. That is the logic there. Okay. We got the logic there. 1 second. So see here, this is correct only, ma. 6 factor. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the 6 positions will be consonants only. We have 6 consonants there, and there are duplicities in this. We missed out this 2 factorial into 2 factorial. This is what we missed out. I'll write down vowels in. Vowels how many? 4. So 4 vowels are there. 4 vowels can be arranged in 4 factorial ways, and there is duplicity there, 3 factorial. Now this will be your answer there. Perfectly done. So 6 factorial by 4. So 120 by 4 is 30. 36 are 180. And this is 180 into 4. 4 zeros are 4 8s are 32. Are we missing down anything there again? We are not missing down anything there here. This is 5 factorial but not 4 factorial. Again we have done mistake. Vowels 1 2 3 4 5 vowels are there na. 5 factorial. We are right. Now calculate this. 120 into 6 divided by 4 into 120 divided by 6. Is it 3600? Yes, it is 3600 and we have done it correctly. 3600 is your answer. So see here, simple logic, we missed out there in calculate error. Try this. Right. Relative order must not be changed, it seems. Perfect one. Let's come to the next one. Last alphabetical order question. Next we will be going to two alphabetical questions are there. Next we will be going to numbers there. Now I'm expecting you guys to answer this one. Try this. One minute more. Two. It's not two, Sadashiv. It's not two, Sadashiv. One check there. It's not two, Rahul. It's not two, Rahul. 10 seconds more. See, I'll do it. In how many ways can the letters of the English alphabet be arranged? Now you are asked to arrange them. So that there are 7 letters between the letters A and B, it seems. Chalo, let's suppose take A, B, C, D. I'll write down here. A will be here. Immediately next B will not be there. There will be 6 alphabets, right? Yes, third option is right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 alphabets will be their difference and there will be B here. Okay. Now see here, A will take first position. Second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth position. Am I right or wrong? Now similarly so on up to right. So if A takes second position, B will take 10th position. If A takes third position, B will take 11th position. Similarly, I'll go like this, right? At last, finally, this will be your Z alphabet. If B is here, there must be a gap of 7 letters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And here A will be there. Am I right or wrong? Now, if B takes 26th position, because there will be 26 alphabets in English alphabets, right? Right, 25, 24, 23, 22, 21, 20, 19, 18th position. Am I right or wrong? Let's check there. 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. Means A can take from first position to 18th position. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Am I right or wrong? Yes or no? Yes, A can take 18 positions. Similarly, B also can take 18 positions. From 9 to 26, how many positions will be there? 18 positions will be there. Am I right or wrong? Yes. So again, up dekho, let us suppose take now, I will change it right now. Here B can be there, here A can be there. And there are two chances. Am I right or wrong? Please let me know, yes or no. So automatically I have to write down this as 18 into 2. Okay, fine. Two ways. Now, how many alphabets are remaining? 24 alphabets are remaining. Out of 26, you fixed A and B. And remaining, how many alphabets are remaining? 36. So finally, sorry. 24 alphabets are remaining, and this 24 alphabets can be arranged in 24 factorial ways. Finally, my answer will be 36 into 24 factorial, and this is my answer. You have to arrange them now. 24, 23, 22, 21, 20, and this is your answer there. Third option. So only logic works out in permutations and combinations. Normal calculations everybody will solve. Let's come to, we have solved similar type of question in the previous class. I'm expecting you guys to solve this question there. A subject, you have to arrange the subject word here. Any answer for this, Rahul? Any answers for this? 8 seconds more. No one. Right. Observe this question. As I said there, backward flip will be damn helpful in solving this permutations and combinations questions very easily. I'll show you how to solve this. In how many ways can the letters of the word subject be placed in the squares of the figure given below so that no row remains empty? It is not no column, only no row. How many rows are there? First of all, 1, 2, 3 rows are there. Okay. No row remain empty means I'll go with backward flip, which will be damn easy. I'll write down like this: total minus row empty combinations will give you no row empty combinations. That will be very easy for me. No row empty combinations. I mean no empty chances. It is arrangement. I cannot say I use word called combinations. So total matlab how many blocks are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Am I right or wrong? 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Subject पर कितना words, कितना alphabets था? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 ना? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. So total out of 10 blocks, I have to select 7 blocks per subject. Am I right or wrong? Yes. And so after selecting those blocks, I have to arrange the alphabets. Which alphabet has to be in which block? So finally, is it 7 factorial? So this becomes 10p7. 10p7. Am I right or wrong? Let's come back. I'll write down row empty combinations. If I keep my first row empty, how many blocks are available there? 8 blocks are available there. 8 out of 8 blocks, I have to select 7 blocks and I have to arrange those 7 blocks. Am I right or wrong? Plus one more row empty combination. I can keep my second row empty. If I keep my second row empty, again I will be having 8 blocks. I can select 7 blocks in those and I can arrange them there. So 8c7 into 7 factorial is nothing but equal to 8p7. This is also 8p7. So finally, can I write down like this? 10p7, 10 factorial by 10 minus 7, 3 factorial minus 2 into 8 factorial by 1 factorial. Am I right or wrong? So I'll write down 1. So can I write down like this? 3 factorial is nothing but equal to 6. How can I write down this? How can I write down this? Anybody in the comment section box? 8p7, 2 into 8p7 means 8 okay, 1 factorial. Okay. What I will do is I'll take down 8 factorial outside. Common. So what will be left over? 10 into 9 will be left over. 90 by 6 is how much? 90 by 6. Is it 15? Yes, it is 15. 90 by 6 is nothing but 15. 15 6 are 90, right? Yes. Minus 2. What is your answer there? Is it 13 into 8 factorial? Have I wrote it correctly? Yes, perfectly. My answer is 13 into 8 factorial. Did I got my answer there? Exactly, without any issues there. Perfectly done, na? Yes. Let's come to the next one. Right. I will solve this question. In the coming questions, you have to solve with the numbers, right? Because the same process, there is no change in process there. Using the digits of the decimal system, how many numbers lying between 5,000 and 6,000, both inclusive, can be formed? First one, repetition of digits is not allowed. Okay, fine. Now, 5,000 matlab it is a 4-digit number. 1, 2, 3, 4. And the number has to start with 5. So, one chance fixed. Digits must not be repeated means you have decimals from 0 to 9 decimal system. 10 digits there. In those 10 digits, I must not repeat 5. So, only 9 digits are available here. Not allowed means 8 digits, 7 digits. So finally my answer is 9 into 8 into 7. I cannot include 6,000 because 6,000 there are repetition of digits there, and that will be the that value must not be included there. 8 7s are 56, 6 9s are 54, and your answer is 504 here. I hope so. I am clear. 9 8s are 72. 72 7s are 7 2s are 14. Yes, perfect line. 504. Come to this, repetition of digits is allowed, it seems. So again, 5,000 means it is a 4-digit number there. So first digit has to be 5 one way. All the 10 digits can be used because I can use 10 also again. I can use 10 also again. I can use 10 also again. And my answer will be 1,000. And again, according to the question, you are asked to include both 5,000 and 6,000. 6,000 can be included because repetition of digits are allowed. So this answer is 1,001. And this one number is nothing but called 6,000. I hope so. I am clear regarding this. And my answer is B. 1,001, Rahul. Because both inclusive. I have underlined the point to make sure that you must understand this point perfectly. Both inclusive. Got this point there? Now, I will solve this question next. From next question, I will be giving you 2 minutes for you. Of course, you can try this here, right? Because all the number questions follow the same pattern there. You can try this. Try this.
It's time to experience something glorious. Unacademy Combat. Compete, crack, conquer.
A challenging gate contest engineered to give you an experience like none other.
where you put your knowledge to test.
and battle it out with a test.
To bring out the best in you, Unacademy Combat is the most competitive, gamified contest for gate till date, with the best of the questions by best educators.
With detailed video solutions from top educators right after each contest.
Combat live with peers to get real-time rankings and win big.
Participate in every contest to improve your ratings.
Challenging contests every fortnight or alternate Sunday. Live ranking after every question. Big rewards for top rankers. Your passion to crack gate deserves this. Your hard work towards your dream deserves this. Fuel your inner fire for the ultimate gate challenge. Unacademy Combat. Register now.
Sorry for the technical, there is a internet issue there, sorry. Observe the question there. A password of length 5 is to be formed using one or more of the symbols A, B, C, D at the rate of psi 1, 2, 3. I mean asterisk 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 symbols are there. How many of these follow a palindrome pattern? When you read from forward or backward, you have to get the same meaning. Palindrome is a word that reads the same backward or forward, it seems. Alright, now password length has to be 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Done. Palindrome matlab, if there is a code here, the same code has to be repeated in the last block also, because forward and backward has to be same. If there is A, there has to be A. If there is B, there has to be B. Combinedly, this first and last together, we have 9 codes, and we can use the code again and again because there is no such case called non-repetitive. Coming to here, right, if it is a palindrome, the second and fourth must have same code. If it is A must be there. If it is B must be there. If it is C must be there. Am I right or wrong? So totally how many codes will be there? 9 symbols. And for this middle one, automatically how many choices do we have? 9 choices we have. So finally, how many passwords can be formed with this? And again they form palindrome pattern. 9 into 9 into 9, totally 729 passwords can be formed, and these form palindrome patterns. And your option number D. Perfectly right. Let's come to the next one. From here onwards, the questions will be on little bit higher level, because as I said, this is the Naukri series. As I am focusing more on dream company placements and higher level examinations, I expect you guys to solve this question, right? It will take little bit more time, not 10 seconds, 1 second question. These are. Focus on solving rather than answering the questions, So PNC, you must be more focused on logic and solving, procedure. Ten seconds more. Rahul, Sadashiv. Any answers for this? How many 4-digit numbers are there between 3200 and 7300? Between means you should not include 3200, you should not include 7300. In which 6, 8 and 9 together or separately do not appear, it seems. Matlab 6, 8, 9 must not appear. Together we don't want to see. Separately also we don't want to see. Matlab we must not see the 6, 8, 9 in the number there. Okay, chalo, I'll write down the numbers there first. 4-digit number. So the number has to start with 3. Number has to start with 3. Now you closely observe there in this block. What are the numbers that are possible? 0 is not possible. 1 is not possible, right? The number has to start with 2. Right? 3, 4, 5, 6 must not appear. Am I right or wrong? 7, 8 must not appear. So how many digits are possible here? 2, 3, 4, 5, 7. 5 digits are possible here. I'll write down 5 here. Not 5. अब देखो 0 must, it has to start from 3200. मतलब 0 must not there, 1 must not there, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 must not there, 7 must be there, 8, 9 must not be there, only 5 now. Coming to this one, 6, 8, 9 must not appear there. Apart from that, so here only one way fixed there. Any number can appear here. Out of 0 to 9, we have 10 numbers there. 6, 8, 9 must not appear means what are the chances there? 7. Now here also 7. Am I right or wrong? So this is 5 into 7 square. I'll write down like this. Coming to next one, the number has to start with 4. Right? 4, because 4000 from 400, 4001, every number is chance. So 1 fixed 1 here. Now here automatically all the numbers except 689 must be can appear there. 7 7 7, it is 7 cube. Now here also the same thing, the number has to start with 5. So 1 2 3, again 1, again this is 7 cube. 7 7 7 7 cube. Now here the number has to start with 6, but you must not take 6. So the next chance is 7 only. Next chance is 7 only. 7 fixed one way. Now here see appear here, the numbers that has to appear in this block is either 0 or 1 or 2, because the number has to be before 7300. Only 3 chances, and automatically 6 except 689 except 689. So the value is 3 into 7 square. So finally add all those cases. So I can take 7 square as common outside. So first 5 will be left over, second 7 will be left over, third 7 will be left over, next 3 will be left over. 7 plus 3 10, 15, 22. 22 into 49. What will be the answer there? Calculate this and let me know the answer there. 22 into 49. It is 1078. Right? Is this your answer there? There is no such option there. Then how it is 1078? 1077 is the answer, because in this case you have included 3200 and you have to remove that number there. So this number you have to remove there, minus 1. So because you have to find out the answer between 3200 and 7300. So my answer is 1077, and this is your option there. Option number D. Many of you got this? Perfect answer, right? So every question is a diamond, what I can say. Let's come to the next one. Let us see how many can solve this diamond. Right, 2 minutes. Try this. So every question has a twist there. So if you can crack that twist, automatically you can solve each and every question fatafat. E 5 seconds more. Ten seconds more. No answers. How many 4-digit odd numbers, it seems, can be formed such that every three in the number is followed by a 6, is followed by a 6, is followed by a 6. First of all, It is a 4-digit number. It seems I'll write down like this. It is a 4-digit number. 1, 2, 3, 4. And again, this number has to be odd number. Because if your entire number has to be odd number, this round off digit must also be odd number. What are the numbers that I can take? I can take 1 here. Can I take 3 here? If I take 3 here, following to 3, there must be 6. So I cannot take 3. So my number, the next best number is 5. The next best number is 7. And the next best number is 9. These are the odd numbers. So how many chances? 5 chances. I'll keep it aside. Now, again, I'll get many chances here. Yeah, 4-digit number. Na? So see here, I can write down 3, 6 here. And my next chance will be 3 here. 1, 2, 3, 6 here. Am I right or wrong? And my another chance is 1, 2, 3, 4, 3 here, 6. Can I make 6 here? No, I can write down 6. I cannot write down 6 here. This must be an odd number. Na? This is the one more chance. Is there any other chance, ma? Yes, there is one more chance. If there is no 3, automatically there is no need of condition that it has to be followed by 6. So I will eliminate 3 condition in my number there. And these are the 4 choices there. Perfectly done. 3 and 6 are perfectly fixed. 1 and 1. Odd number 5. So here how many digits are possible there? Can I write down 3 here? If I write down 3 here, 6 has to appear after 3. So 3 must not be there. So how many chances are there? Out of, I have numbers from 0 to 9, 10 digits. So I can write down any digit except 3. So 9 digits are possible here. So finally, what will be the number there? 9 5s are 40. Coming to next one, 3 and 6 are fixed here. Right, now closely observe there. Can I write down 3 here? Yes, I can write down 3 here. Closely observe there. 3 has to be followed by 6. That doesn't mean 3 has to be immediately followed by 6. Am I right or wrong? Can I write down 6 here? Yes, I can write down 6 here because 3 is there in front. So I can write down all the numbers in particularly. Am I right or wrong? Perfectly. All the 10 numbers are possible. Will you accept with me? Now here, as it is odd number, I cannot write down 3. If I write down 3, automatically immediately after that 6 must be there. So only 5 numbers are 1, 5, 7, 9 are possible. So finally 10 5s are 50. I hope so. I am clear regarding this. Done. Now here, how many digits are possible here? How many digits are possible here? Except 0, I can write down all the digits there. Am I right or wrong? Yes, I can write down 6 also. There is no such condition that before 6 3 has to be there. The condition is that after 3 6 has to be there, right? So all except 0, all the 9 numbers are possible. 1 is fixed. 1 is fixed. So automatically, how much is this? Is this 5 here? Yes. Perfectly. Only 0 must not be there here. So finally, this is 9 5s are 45. Perfectly done. Now here comes the logic there. Except 0, all the numbers, can I write down there? No. If I write down 3 here, there has to be 6 immediately here. Am I right or wrong? Please let me know, yes or no. Yes. So I must not write down 3 here. I hope so. I am clear regarding this. If I write down 3, 6 has to be there here. So I can write down 8. It is 0 and 8. Now see here, if I write down 3, 6 has to be there. So I will not write down 3. I will eliminate 3. I will eliminate 3. Now here 5. Am I right or wrong? This is the 8 5s are 40. 40 into 81. Add all those things. Let's see what we will get there. We will solve it first of all. 40 into 81. Is it 3240? Or did we miss any logic there? Yeah. Did we miss any logic there? Except 3, except 3. There is 3, 6 has to be there. 6 can be there here. 9 9s are 81. Did I miss out any logic there? First, let me know that one. 1 comma 5 comma 7 comma 9 odd numbers. Okay, fine. He is not followed by 6. Any answer there? Any answer that we are missing down there? 3 comma 6. This is perfect. 3 must not be written here. So 9 possible chances are there. 9 fives are. Here 9 fives are. How can it be 40? 9 fives are 45 now. Any answer there, ma? Did we miss out anything there? Let's calculate this first of all, then we will see. 45 plus 50 plus 45, 140 plus 8 5s are 40 into 81 plus 3240 is no such option there, plus 140 3380. Are we missing down anything there? Hare Rahul. Simple logic there, yeah. Sorry. 4 odd numbers. My mind is not correct right now. Easy thing, na? Our procedure is correct. That's what I'm missing down there. Where did we miss out there? 9 fours are 36. 10 fours are 40. 9 fours are 36. Silly logic there, na? 81 into 8 fours are 32. Now we will check there, right? 81 into 32 is 81 into 32 is 2592. 2592 plus 36 plus 40 plus 36 is 2704. Completely it is 2704. Of course, there is no such option called 2704. Now see here, we have to eliminate the duplicity, right? The numbers which are repeated. Now if you closely observe there, within these two numbers, if you closely observe there, 3 6, what can I take down there? Now you closely observe that between these two numbers, let us suppose take 3 6 6 1. These are the common numbers between them. Am I right or wrong? 1 second, observe this. 3 6 6 1 is the common number. Am I right or wrong? 3 6 6 5 is common number. 3 6 6 7 is common number. 3 6 6 9 is common number. So I have to eliminate this 3 numbers here. 4 numbers. Am I right or wrong? Minus 4. And again, observe this. Within these two numbers, I'll write down in black ink. Within these two numbers, what are the common numbers there, ma? 3361 is the common number. 3365 is the common number. 3367 is the common number. 3369 is the common number. Am I right or wrong? So I have to eliminate this 4 numbers also. So then I will get the exclusive numbers there, minus 4. So my final answer will be 2696. And this is my answer there. So our procedure is perfectly right. I made a simple mistake there. I wrote 157, but I took it as 5 digits there. I'm really sorry. Done. So my answer is 2696. Hope so clear. We'll solve the next one. Now this is an easy question, but a little bit trick is there in this question. Try this. There is a chessboard of 8 into 8, it seems. seconds more. The answer for this. In how many ways is it possible? Of course, it is possible. You can write down like it is possible to choose two white squares so that they lie on the same row or same column on an 8 into 8 chessboard, it seems. So I'll do like this here. I'll take down like this. This is an 8 into 8 chessboard. For the sake of understanding, I'll write down one column and one square here. One, two, three, four, five, six, it seems. 1 second now. What I will do is a little bit increase this. 96. One. Six. It just with it. Consider this as a chessboard, right? So in a row, my point is how many white squares will be there? 4. How many blank squares will be there? 4. So in how many ways it is possible to choose, not arrange, to choose two white squares in a row? First of all, there will be 4 white squares. I have to choose 2, right? So that they lie in the same row or same column, it seems. Okay, so how many rows are there? 8 rows are there. Can I write down this as 8 rows? Or it seems means same row separate, same column separate. This is row. And the same case happens with columns also. 8 columns are there. And out of these 8 columns, in each column there are 4 white. Out of that, select any 2. Am I right or wrong? 8 6 are 48. 4C2 is nothing but 6. 4 factorial by 2 factorial into 2 factorial will be 6. And this is 8 6 are 48. And finally, what will be your answer there? Adding these two cases, will you get 96? Yes, Rahul, you're right. Perfectly right. Let's come to the next one. Yes. This is again one more the best question here. Waiting for your answer there. Any answers for this? 20 seconds more. Well, 2593, is it? How many even numbers it seems here? Even numbers between 20,000 and 40,000, excluding the extremes. You have to exclude the extremes. In between numbers only can be formed using the digits 0, 2, 4, 0, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8. If any digit can occur any number of times, it seems here. Okay, first of all, how many digits? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 digit na? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In between 2000 and 4000 matlab. Now see here in this digit, how many numbers are possible? It is 2 or 3. Only 2 numbers are possible, right? Am I right or wrong? So only 2 chances. Come to this one 0, and again it is an even number, it seems. So how many numbers are possible there here? 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Am I right or wrong? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So in between, how many numbers are possible for these 3 blocks? Each block. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 are there. So 6 chances, 6 chances, 6 chances. Am I right or wrong? 6 6 are 36. 36 6 are 216. 216 into 10. Is it 2160? Yes. In this 2160, you closely observe there, you have included 20,000 here. 20,000 number is included in this. I have to eliminate that. So minus 1. And my answer will be 2159, not 2593. How it is 2593, Rahul? 2159 na? Here suddenly I got 6 into 6 into 6, 216 into 10, 2160. Yes, I'm right here. 2159 is my answer. Once check there, what mistake have you done there? 2159 is the answer. Let's come to the next one. 02468. Yes, I'm true. Let's come to the next one. Yes, this is the question which was asked in CSE gate examination also once here, and in CAT once. Let's see how many can solve this. Seconds more. Rahul, any answers for this? Easy question now. If all the possible 5-digit numbers, all the possible it seems. Matlab repetition, non-repetition. Is it the question asked? Let's see, right? First of all, that can be formed using the digits 4, 3, 8, 6 and 9 without repetition. So you should not repeat the numbers. Are arranged in the ascending order. You have arranged in ascending order. Then the position of the number 8, 9, 6, 3, 4 is the question asked. Chalo yaar. Ascending order matlab, so it is a 5-digit number it seems. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And you closely observe the ascending order matlab first number has to be 3 there. It has to start with 3. How many numbers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. See, I must not repeat the same number na, so automatically 4 numbers are possible, so it is in 4 factorial ways and it is fixed 1. Coming the next in ascending order, next number has to start with 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again this is also 4 factorial and the first number is fixed, so 1. After 4 it is 6 ma. Yes, 6, but there is no 5 na. 1, 2, 3, 4. Automatically this is 4 factorial. After 6, what is the number there? 8. I'll write down this 8. Okay, this is fixed 1 now. This is also fixed 1. So 4 numbers are possible. This is 4 factorial. I hope so you got my point there. So how many numbers are, so I cannot, there is no need to write down with 9 ma, because you are asked to find out the number with starting with 8 na. So 24 into 4. 24 into 4. Am I right or wrong? 1, 2, 3, 4. Is it 96? Yes. What is your 96th number? Rahul, kya hua, right? You're answering wrong. 96th number is the thing which is, I'll write down. 96th number is 8, 9, 6, 4, 3. This is the ascending order, right? I mean, according to the number there. Largest number is this. 8, 9, 6, 4, 3. But this is the question asked. So, is it 42 possible? There is no number with 2. 42 is not possible. 89641, no. 89640, no. 89639, 9 is repeated, so eliminated. 89638, no. 8 is repeated, eliminate. 37, 7 is not there, eliminated. 36, 6 is repeated, eliminated. 35, no. 5 is not there, I cannot write down. So the next number is 896 3, 4. This is the number, the next number, and this is your 95th number. This is what your question asked. So 89634 is the question asked, and your 89634 is 95th number according to the series there, and my option number is C. As easy as possible here. Come to the next one. Let's see how many can solve this question. Easy question here. Seconds more. 5 seconds. Any answer for this? How many 4-digit numbers can be formed such that the digits in hundreds place is greater than that in tens place, it seems. First of all, you have to frame a 4-digit number. It's in 1, 2, 3, 4. And देखो यार, this is your hundreds place and it is your 10th place. And your hundreds place digit number must be greater than tens place, it seems. Okay, fine. So first of all, 0 is not possible there. I have to take 9 numbers. 0 is possible there. I have to take 10 numbers. Now you have numbers from 0 to 10, 0 to 9, sorry, decimal systems. So for this, अब देखो, let us suppose take, select any 2 numbers. Out of 10 numbers, select any 2 numbers. And of course, in this selection, there must be only one. Let us suppose take you have selected 1, 2, ma. And see here, this has to be written in, there are 2 arrangements there. But this arrangement is not valid because your hundreds place number has to be greater than tens place number. So only one arrangement you will get there. So 10C2 is enough. You can write down there. So 90 into how much is 10C2? 10C2 is nothing but 10 factorial by 8 factorial. Is it nothing but 8 factorial into 2 factorial? So finally 2 means 45. So this is 90. 9 5s are 45. 9 4s are 36, 40. So 4050 is your answer. And your option number D is your answer. Perfectly done. Let's come to the next one. Yes, we'll so solve this question here. So, okay, fine. Solve this question. And we'll continue in the next class about the remaining questions there. 2 minutes, try this. If Mr. Kapil, one of the members of the group, referred to in previous question. Sorry, ma'am. So I have to take this question. You have to solve it. I'm really sorry. Really sorry. You have to solve this question.
It's time to experience something glorious. Unacademy Combat. Compete, crack, conquer.
A challenging gate contest engineered to give you an experience like none other.
Where you put your knowledge to test.
And battle it out with the best.
To bring out the best in you, Unacademy Combat is the most competitive, gamified contest for gate till date, with the best of the questions by best educators.
With detailed video solutions from top educators right after each contest.
Combat live with peers to get real-time rankings and win big.
Participate in every contest to improve your ratings.
Challenging contests every fortnight or alternate Sunday. Live ranking after every question. Big rewards for top rankers. Your passion to crack gate deserves this. Your hard work towards your dream deserves this. Fuel your inner fire for the ultimate gate challenge. Unacademy Combat. Register now.
Any answers for this? Observe the question carefully. A certain group of friends met on a New Year Eve party and each person shook hands with everybody else in the group exactly once. And the number of handshakes turns out to be 66, it seems. Handshakes are 66, matlab, if you closely observe there, I am the one person, Rahul is one more person. So he uses his right hand and I use my right hand. So one hand of mine and Rahul's one hand. Both together become one single handshake. Am I right or wrong? So, let us suppose take if there are n hands, n persons, I have to select any two persons. Between them, only there will be one handshake. And this NC2 value is nothing but equal to 66, it seems. This is what given there. And of course, you can go from options also. This type of questions you can solve from options also. On the occasion of Pongal Harvest Festival, if each person in this group sends a greeting card to every other person in the group, how many cards are exchanged? First of all, how many persons are there? First, that we have to check down. NC2 can be written as n factorial by n minus 2 factorial into 2 factorial is equal to 66. So for our convenience, I'll write down in a little bit easiest way. I'll write down like this: n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 factorial. Can I write down like this? Divided by n minus 2 factorial, and my 2 factorial is nothing but 2. I'll write down here. Is it equal to 132? So n minus 2 gets cancelled and I will get a quadratic equation. N into n square minus n, this 132 will come to the left hand side, will become 132. Now see here, 132 is nothing but equal to 12 11s, sir. Will you accept it? Is it 12 11s, sir? Anybody in the comment section box below? 12 11s, sir. It is 132. Yes. So the roots are, it is minus 132 minus 11. So automatically this will be n minus 12 and n plus 11. Am I right or wrong? Please let me know, yes or no. Is equal to 0, and my n value will be positive and my n value will be equal to 2. So totally how many members are there? 12 members are there. Will you accept with me? Yes. So there are 12 members. Let us suppose in those 12 members, I'll take down 2 members. A, B. You closely observe there, A gives a card to B and B gives a card to A. So how many cards will be exchanged between two persons? 2 cards. This is what the question asked there. Ek bar dekho, right? Am I right or wrong? Please let me know, yes or no. If each person in this group sends a greeting card to every other person in the group, how many greeting cards are exchanged, it seems? So see here, it is nothing but out of 12 persons, between 2 persons, 12C2, let us suppose I select any 2 persons, A, B, and between these 2 persons, how many greeting cards will be shared? 2. And this is your answer there. 12 factorial by 10 factorial into 2 factorial into 2. 2 gets cancelled. 12 into 11 will be 132 and your option number C will be the answer. Total 132 cards will be exchanged between them. Am I right or wrong, Rahul? Perfectly done. Let's come to the continuation question of this, right? 132, total 132 members are there. Now, 132 cards are exchanged, total 12 persons are there. If Mr. Kapil, one of the members of the group referred to in the previous question, wants to invite home one or more of his friends from that group for dinner, then in how many ways can the invitation be extended is the question asked. So Kapil, right? Kapil is the one member there out of this 12 and the remaining 11 members are there. Ab dekho, if Kapil likes everyone, he will invite everyone. If Kapil doesn't like anyone, he will not invite anyone. But the point here is, wants to invite one or more, it seems, because he doesn't want to, there is no such chance of 0. So see here, if he wants to invite none, it will be 11C0. If he wants to invite only one, 11C1. If he wants to invite 2 members, 11C2, so on. These are different cases. Finally 11C11. Am I right or wrong? But this case is not allowed. He has to invite one or more. So I'll add all those things. Everybody know NC0 plus NC1 up to NCN will be equal to how much? 2 to the power of 11. Minus, you have to remove 1 there because this must be eliminated. 2 to the power of 11 is how much, ma? 1024 into 2 is 2048. Is it 2047? 2048. 1024 plus 1024 minus 1. And this is your answer there. I hope so I am clear. So let's continue in the next session. I'll take a break for 10 minutes and I'll come back with one more session. So Rahul, do join there. So I hope so you like the questions there. So we will be doing more number of questions like this. Done. Hope so you like the class there. So as most of the students know, I deal with CAT, UPSC and GATE and ECE category. If you wish me as your guide, you can use my code NLN10 for plus subscription. You can use my code NLN10 for iconic subscription. Right. If you wish, you can use my code NLN10 for unlocking combats. You can share my free classes with your friends so that they can unlock my free classes using with my code NLN10. The price for plus for 12 months will be 29,205 after discount when you use my code NLN10, and this is for 18 and 24 months. Coming to iconic, it will be 5805 after discount when you use my code NLN10 for 12 months, and this is for 18 and 24 months. Of course, there is a price dip today. It is valid up to March 31st, today 11:59 p.m. where you will get on an average of 26% discount. Those who are serious to join, do try to join today and join the courses. And you need not wait for any educator to clear all your doubts here. Unacademy has an extraordinary wing called Unacademy Ask a Doubt. If you have any doubt, click the picture of that question, upload in doubts and solution section, select the preferred language, and you'll get the video solution within minutes there. And I'm dealing campus placement strategy sessions on our special classes. Those who are so serious to attend this, right, do try to attend these sessions. So the interaction level will be 10x more than on the YouTube, where we will be having a gamified environment there. And do try to join this Telegram group so that you'll get all the updates regarding my classes and all the courses also. Right, and please do try to hit the like button, share my classes if you wish. If you like my session so that I can reach to more number of audience, download the PDF, hit the bell icon and subscribe to the channel. Thank you and have a nice day.
It's time to experience something glorious. Unacademy Combat. Compete, crack, conquer.
A challenging GATE contest engineered to give you an experience like none other.
where you put your knowledge to test.
and battle it out with a test.
To bring out the best in you, Unacademy Combat is the most competitive, gamified contest for GATE till date, with the best of the questions by best educators.
With detailed video solutions from top educators right after each contest.
Combat live with peers to get real-time rankings and win big.
Participate in every contest to improve your ratings.
Challenging contests every fortnight or alternate Sunday. Live ranking after every question. Big rewards for top rankers. Your passion to crack GATE deserves this. Your hard work towards your dream deserves this. Fuel your inner fire for the ultimate GATE challenge. Unacademy Combat. Register now.